All right, listen up. If you've ever thought, man, I wish I got into a Memecoin before it really popped off, this might be your chance. We're talking about a Solana-based Memecoin that is literally called POV. And trust me, the point of view is looking pretty insane right now. This coin isn't just a meme, it's a whole movement. And if you play it right, your future POV might just be you sitting on a beach, sipping cocktails, and laughing at the FOMO crowd. But of course, we gotta break it down before you ape in. So, what's the deal with POV? This is a Memecoin built on Solana, meaning it's got fast transactions, low fees, and a community that's going absolutely wild right now. No utility? Who cares? It's 2025, and we all know the biggest pumps come from community-driven hype. There are thousands of Memecoins launching every single day, but let's be real, most of them disappear into the void. POV? This one's different. The hype is real, and the momentum is only growing. Numbers don't lie. And if we look at engagement, it's blowing up on Twitter, Telegram is going crazy, and even influencers are starting to take notice. When that happens, we all know what's next. Potential liftoff. One of the things I love about this coin is that it's a true community takeover, CTO. The original dev exited, but instead of fading into obscurity, a strong, dedicated team stepped up and took over. And guess what? Even top-tier crypto influencers like altcoin Gordon have started heavily promoting POV, which is only adding more fuel to the hype fire. Just to be clear, I don't have any partnership with this coin. I just really like the narrative. And I strongly believe this coin has the potential to hit a double-digit million market cap, which could bring some insane multiples. And the best part? There aren't a lot of whales holding massive bags, so there's no real worry about them dumping on us. Now let's get tactical. If you want to ride the POV wave, you'll need a Solana wallet like Phantom, some Sol for gas fees, and a little bit of degen energy. Head to mention DEX, swap your SOL for POV, and boom, you're in. But remember, no one wants to be the last guy holding the bag. Also, I'm dropping a referral link for gmgn.ai in the comments below. By signing up through this link, you'll gain access to advanced tools that help you discover and trade meme tokens faster, monitor smart money movements, and perform security checks on contracts. Plus, you'll be supporting the channel as gmgn.ai offers a referral program that provides incentives for bringing in new users. It's a win-win. So what's your move? Are you getting in, or are you going to watch from the sidelines while POV potentially goes parabolic? Drop a comment below. Let's get a discussion going. Smash that like button, subscribe if you want more crypto alpha, and turn on notifications. Because the next 100x gem could be in my next video. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is wild, but that's why we love it. Catch you in the next one.
Have you seen those POV videos? I love them. They're like trending all over TikTok right now. You gotta see it, man.
As Warren Buffett once said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Success is built on vision, persistence, and the choices you make today. With POV, you're not just holding a token, you're holding the keys to wealth, power, and a sense of belonging. Together we build, together we rise. POV you held, where dreams become legacies.